doubt we're gonna see much here. They're all hiding behind the plant. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and give them a parasite treatment because they're all flashing. So I'll go ahead and hit them with, I don't know, whatever I use. I want to use it. Lambisol, I think. But anyways, we got a picture of it. Got them in the tank. They seem to be doing okay. They really kept hovering on the bottom. I don't know why. Probably just young and scared. So that I can get them out of quarantine, I'll be moving down my angelfish. While we're talking angelfish, we can talk about my first platinums. They're all doing great. Growing, growing, and growing. It looks like they're scratching a little bit too, so I'll probably go ahead and hit them. I didn't hit them when I hit the rest of them. They look a little bit itchy. They're bouncing on the shit. I don't know what they're doing that for. Maybe they pick up some parasites. We'll go ahead and treat them. Skin parasite or something. I don't know. I don't see anything on, but when they're that small, it's kind of hard to tell. It might just be being little fucking nuts. Might be how they showed on us or something. First run with them, so. And I finally got these two up here taking care of Fry. Oh, they're gonna get pissed off at me. Watch him. He's mad. She's mad. But anyways, I got a nice group of fry. I don't know how they got them out of the fungus eggs they had. But anyways, I got a good bunch of fry out of them. They're taking good care of them. My male's attack fish now. I had to put paper up on this end of the tank. I'm happy. So I don't eat them, but everything's looking good in here, guys. Just a quick update on the angelfish in the bedroom. The new ones I got into there. Still got two more you guys ain't seen. Well, I don't. My wife did. I got her two angelfish. She's always talking about mine. They're in the main tank. The main angelfish tank. I think I might start a second angelfish tank soon, the way things are going. Well, of course, I got these back here, but these ones here are just going through quarantine, make sure everything's okay. Yeah, there's 6 of them back in here hiding, but they came in a little cool and I'm slowly bringing their temperature up. I think they'll be fine. Next couple of days we'll be able to see if anything goes on. If they keep flashing, I'll go ahead and hit them real quick. If that don't work, I'll get some general cure. I got it here, I think. Got to treat the 10-gallon paint twice. Not much to see here, can't help it. They're black and the bottom's black on the tank. They do stand out a little bit, so it's not too bad. They're supposed to give me a dime size, and I think they're quarter, or at least nickel, for paperwork. Yeah, it was a little off or whatever, I ain't gonna complain. As long as they're healthy and clean, I ain't gonna worry too much about it. See, and they're acting just like these hovering on the bottom. You can see her doing it, and they've been treated once when they were young. I don't know where it came from, but it made a run through my tank, so it's possible they're in here, so we'll just treat them and make sure. At least 23 are doing really nice. I think I did better in nature. Out of 400, I got 23. Oh, I'm guessing 400 eggs. I had a lot more fry to begin with, but like I said, I had to whatever this parasite is or whatever the heck I got running through my tanks. I've treated them once. I need to treat them here in the next couple of days. See if treat the give them long enough now if they're treated again, and I'd like to treat these here, but them babies, I'm afraid to treat them this young unless I absolutely have to. That tank was pretty much clean when I started, so we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, my battery's dying. Y'all have a good night and we'll catch you later. Why now did I get this y'all from? Did I go back down south for a day or two? Well, how's it going, guys? I'm doing an angelfish update. Got a couple new ones in here. This here's my wife, one of my wife's angelfish. And that one there's another one of my wife's angelfish. I didn't get my wife booked. And of course we got our koi and golden in here, which are all just doing lovely. Is there any problem? Well, everything's looking good. A little bumping and pecking, typical angelfish behavior. There's enough fish in here, they can spread out their aggression pretty good. Shouldn't really be any problem. If I only had one or two, it might be an issue, but the way these are, I don't think I'll have too much trouble in here. Hopefully before long we'll start seeing them pair off. Get a couple pairs out of here. Maybe sell a couple pairs. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Ain't decided. Hopefully my stroboli will start breeding. A little clown, I did a massive water change. I got to get something to eat this stuff here. I did knock it back with the bleach treatment on the plants. I did knock my plants back some too, but I can see it's just coming back as fast as I got rid of it. It's just this black beard, I think is what it is. That's what it looks like to me. It's on the rocks in the bottom and everywhere else. It'd be okay if it didn't start taking over and grow 7-8 inches at a time, a day. It was really dense on my plant. We did throw a few guppies back in here. Got a bunch of females. There's probably a sneaker male or two, but I got my one male that I had in the 10-gallon right there in here. Oh, of course he can show up, but he's really nice. Kind of a throwback to more of a wild guppy or an antler. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't breed him necessarily. He just was in the belly of a fish I bought. But I really like him, so we're going to work on it and see if we can make a strain out of him. But this is an angelfish update, and everything's really doing good in here. My golden marble back there really ain't showing much golden yet. And this one here is the other golden marble. Yeah, I know you can't hardly tell over in the koi. I ordered solid gold, and these are what I got in. Kind of happens sometimes, but it shouldn't really. But anyways, guys, that's all that's going on with this tank right now. Yeah, I know the plants are all gone. It's okay. I can throw all these away and start over if it really came down to it. But let me get off here and get my fish fed. Y'all have a good day.